I wanted to talk to you about these union examples and complements. So this first piece, they gave us set A and set B, which there's some overlap there, and then they also give us the set C, which overlaps with B as well. So if we're going to find, I know it looks like A minus B, but if we're going to find the complement of B with respect to A, we're going to start with that A set, and we're going to take away, if you will, that minus, take away everything that might be in B. Well, the A, B, and C aren't in A, so we don't have to worry about that. But that D, E, F, we need to get rid of that. We need to take it away. So if we take out all that, then we're just left with that empty set. It's disjoint. Okay. Now when we do the opposite, and we're looking at the complement of A with respect to B, okay. So let me grab my pen here. We've got B, and we're going to take away A, so we're going to delete these guys. So that really just leaves us with the A, B, and C, right? So we can say the complement of A with respect to B is A, B, C. Now, we could also say that that's actually equal to the set C as well, right? So there's that as well. But let's look at the next one. The complement of C with respect to B. Let me erase my scribbles here. Okay, complement of C with respect to B. So kind of the same thing we just got done with. We're going to look at B and take away C. Right. Well, C is ABC, so if we delete those, we're really just looking at D, E, F. So B minus C is D, E, F, which is actually the same thing as set A. For the last one, the complement of the complement of B with respect to C. So if I have to take all of B's out of C, that's not going to leave anything, right? So here we are with that empty disjoint set again.